Want to know how to hide team user interface in Paladins? So if you are did and if you want to spectate your friends and you want to hide the interface or hide the entire team user interface in Paladins, this video is for you. So first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're in the interface, make sure you are under your main menu. So once you're on the main menu, on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here. This is your settings, system is selected. So now once you have selected settings, you should be provided with various options right here. So you can just simply select gameplay. By default you should be on the video, just simply select gameplay, and you can just simply scroll down a little bit, or you should be finding disable or show team UI right here. So it should be right here. So you can just simply disable it by selecting disable right here, and it should be hidden. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.